At the seashore, the best way to spend an evening is on the beach of a seashore. Have you ever been to this beach? Let us see the waves now. Sea stars, crabs, and other small creatures are found on the seashore. Have you ever collected seashells? Now let's recollect the tongue twister. She sells seashells on the seashore. Now try and repeat it as many times as you like. It's fun to play with the damp sand, and children enjoy making castles and tunnels with the sand. Today, sand sculpture has become very popular. Competitions are held all over the world. On the beaches, we have a lot of entertainment for children and adults alike. Horse rides, camel rides, merry-go-rounds, toy trains, aquariums, and other forms of entertainment delight the children. Plenty of refreshments, from ice cream to forbidden mouth-watering snacks of all kinds, are very inviting. Brilliant trinkets, attractive toys, colored balloons, lovely articles made of seashells are all displayed in a tempting manner. Nobody can leave without purchasing something or the other. As twilight sets in, at the horizon, the sea and the sky seem to merge into one another. As darkness descends, the rising and falling waves shine like silver with the moonlight falling on them. The faraway lighted ship appear like a mansion which can be reached by walking across. Would you like to visit the beach again? This is at the beach of Puri in Orissa.